Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope everyone's feeling good today. Just got to Daytona Beach, meeting up with my friend Christian. But before we skate, I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been reaching out, trying to help set up book signings and premieres. It's super helpful. I just kind of hopped on the road, figuring this whole thing out on my own, so really is a huge help. I'll put in the description all the potential planned stops I have for the book signings or documentary screenings. Right now I'm going to be looping around Florida and then probably going through New Orleans and then hitting Texas for a couple weeks. Maybe I'll make my way to California, Arizona too. I'm not really sure yet. Kind of figuring out on the fly, but yeah, looks like it might rain right now. So hopefully we can get some skating in. My friend should be there, so let's go do some skating. Good to see you.
Enjoying the weather, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
How's everything?
Doing good. This place is sick.
Yeah, I guess they repainted it. There's this place used to be covered in kind of fucking graffiti.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the ground everywhere. And when I pulled out, I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
That's not too bad.
Yeah, looks good. Looks fun.
It used to smell like shit back in the day. This place it's like a water treatment center or something. So
Oh,
it used
really?
to stink. Yeah, I don't know. That was the one day I pulled up, I looked at it, I was like, oh, it's not smelling like shit today.
Can I follow you around?
Yeah, sure. I'll get a little ollie into the rail, the second one.
Okay, I'll follow you. Is it oververt or no?
I think it might be by the slide. Maybe not.
It's hard to tell. It appears that way, but I don't know if it is. Shot.
I'll try one.
Oh. Yeah, that's cool. Nice.
Try a wally on the bank and then straight from the stairs.
Wow. You're going fast into that.
smacked in the knee.
Heard that. You feeling it?
Yeah.
Yeah. One more?
Yeah, one more. You got it right here.
Hell yeah.
Thank God I did not want to do that again.
That was perfect.
Oh, I appreciate it, dude. I'll be behind you.
Alright, I'll see you over there. Okay guys, just got a message from, I'm pretty sure his name's Billy from the Daytona board store, and I think there's a backyard ramp or a bowl or something he's got over there, so I'm gonna go check that out now.
Yeah, it's definitely not the one I was talking about.
Yeah. Little backyard. Yeah. That's crazy. That's awesome. That's a dream yard right
Dude,
there.
serious, man.
How's it going?
I love it, man. Thank you so much.
Not to have to ever see people.
Thanks for having us.
People are like, "Oh, I never
Nice
see
to
you."
meet you.
It's like,
Appreciate
okay.
it.
I'm Billy.
Nice to meet
Go
you, man.
chat.
I was just, I always say like, yeah, I don't have to hang out with people.
I love it.
I know.
It's built really well. It's fun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
buddy, Team Ping guy, he just doesn't live down in. He used to live in the street.
Yeah.
They finished a park in Winter Haven, and they had like, they gave me all the coping, all the pool coping, all the rebarb, which
Wow.
is
Yeah.
that's, you know, you don't see it, but
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
a chunk
Wow.
of change.
Yeah.
And like, yeah, me and
That's awesome.
we kind of just started, me and my buddy, like building it, and then started in like a couple years ago in August, and just like worked on the weekends after work, and then poured it the week right when COVID hit.
Did
But-
you start with this design?
No,
Or
it
did you
was
add
just
in,
sort of
or-
environmentally. It
Yeah.
evolved. Like all I knew I wanted was a bank to curb, because I grew up skating. That's, you know, like behind business complexes, loading docks.
Right.
When there's a bank to curb, that's all I knew I wanted. Everything else, just like we sort of like laid before we started digging. We kind of just laid the coping out. Like, yeah, maybe and that still evolved. Like, you know, we knew we were gonna have something in the middle,
Right.
but then as we were digging it, like we added that little hip there and the little whippy thing, and then this thing here was just like we did that the day before, like, you know,
Yeah.
because we didn't pour it all at once. Everything was like,
No, it feels good. It has a really good flow to it.
yeah, I mean, I like it. And like, you know, I'll be 54 in like a week and a half, but like, and you think, oh, you're 54, you're like a bull skater, but like I'm essentially a curb dog,
Yeah.
you know, so like that's my forte. So like I'm not looking for giant transitions and stuff. You still get hurt, but
Yeah.
get hurt on a park
Lower
lot.
to the ground.
Yeah, so, but yeah, man.
Oh, that's awesome. Thanks for letting us
Yeah,
come
no
and skate.
problem. Yeah, this is funny. This
Cement
pool,
cope and grind for
this
yourself.
was all like big pieces, but I wanted that grind, like that sound. So I took like this, you know, because it's the same coping there and there.
Oh, you
So I took a big slab and I just like, you know, concrete sawed them like,
That's awesome.
and this coping was originally from the, you know, it's not that. I mean, from like 2000 era Orlando skate park. They
Really?
redid
Oh,
that,
that's
so
cool.
I took the coping off of.
Oh.
Because I went to the
I like
T-Pain,
that.
so like we, you know, that's why. I mean, it is dark for me, but I can't claim like, yeah, I'm always bashing the coping.
Nice.
But yeah, I'll be out in a bit, just
Okay.
like skate. You
Oh,
know.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you again, man. It was nice meeting you.
be back. I gotta drop. This is Chad.
Chad, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
How's it going?
I grew up over in Melbourne. That's fun. Melbourne and
Slide he did right here when he was younger. He did it 100 times in a row. That's the name of the game. And you have a slip.
yeah.
He is. I was when I was when I was younger, but he's really good at surfing.
Yeah.
So we're going Puerto Rico. He just got back from Nicaragua.
Oh, really? I was going to say, good struggle. Yeah, right.
Quiet in the sauce.
Oh, sorry.
My bad, my bad. Okay guys, that's it for today. Shout out to Billy for letting me skate his backyard bowl. Thing is so much fun. Just has like a really good flow to it. And it's kind of crazy. I'm like noticing as I'm on this trip, there's a whole world of just insane backyard ramps and bowls. Like I knew that there were some and that people do it, but like I'm really starting to get a grasp on like this kind of underground community in a sense. Just like people that do this, you know, couple of people know about it, they're a part of it, and they're all over. So yeah, it's really fun just checking these out. And it was fun hanging out with Christian, skating with him. I saw him skating when he was really young, and you know, he's 22 now, but watching him grow into his own style and just get way better is really cool. So yeah, super fun day. Tomorrow I'm heading to Orlando, so I'll see you guys then.